Okay, I'm back once again live. Now, normally at this time I would bring on some sketches and drawings, but I'll shoot a video in a video either tonight or tomorrow. I just haven't gotten some ready tonight. So I'll just ramble on here and talk a little bit, just go through some items I've been doing in the last few days. Now, I've been playing around with some, looking at some AutoCAD stuff. You know, AutoCAD, computer-aided drafting. That's what it stands for. Now, AutoCAD, they made a lot of versions. I've been using every version of AutoCAD since back in the 2000s when Autodesk first made the program. And I want to say that it's a good program. And they've just released Autodesk has just released a new AutoCAD version, AutoCAD 2024. Now, 2024 is what most companies are using these days. Most construction, engineering companies are using these days. But they also have other different software, which is a lot cheaper than AutoCAD. Now, AutoCAD has been around for a long time. And I've been using it for a little bit. And again, I just got back to using it after all these years of getting away from it. It's just that I haven't been able to install it on my computer. Now, the older version I have, I cannot install it on my newer system. You know, with the computers with Windows 10, Windows 8, can't do that. But again, that depends on the bits that are used. There are AutoCAD programs that have they use 32 bits on Windows and 64 bits on Windows. So that reveals a lot right there. I've been experimenting with AutoCAD and made some drawings on AutoCAD. And I think for this time, I'll just make a commentary. But I'm going to shoot two videos later. Two future videos later. One having to do with drawings of some floor plans that I'm doing, and some other drawings of my paintings. Now, the paintings, I've been trying to paint some pictures for them, but I haven't been able to get into it. I just basically, so my focus has been on logos, company logos that I've been looking at. So I'll get those out, get a video on that. But for now, I'm going to talk a little bit about drafting, because I've been doing a lot of drafting lately, and been doing a lot of drawings as well. Now, the AutoCAD that is used oftentimes that I'm using is way in the 2000s. That's ancient history. But Autodesk, they've been changing AutoCAD, the program, every year. They've been changing it all the time and every year. That's, it's 2023 right now, and they made 2024. Now, I don't know when Autodesk released it, but they pretty much released the program this year. And I think last year they made 2023. That's in 2022. And I would not be surprised if Autodesk comes out with AutoCAD 2025. Because I think Autodesk, they do this because they're trying to get updates from as to what, trying to get an idea as to companies what companies want, and what the draftsmen and what the architects and engineers want in a program, so they can do their designs and do, like, say, make mechanical parts like mechanical engineers do, and make electrical devices like what electrical engineers do, and to make, like, say, infrastructure and bridges. Civil engineers do that, and basically and to draw floor plans and houses and buildings, commercial buildings. So architects do. So they're trying to get some feedback from from builders and, say, architects in the industry as to basically what they want in a computer-aided design drafting tool. Now, there's another program that Autodesk has made. It's called Revit. Now, Revit deals with not just two-dimensional drawings. They deal with three-dimensional drawings. That's what they use, three-dimensional drawings. Like, for buildings and all that. Now, I played around with three-dimensional drawings, and let me tell you, they're not easy to make. Not very easy to make, especially the buildings. Because I remember I did one exam where I had to make this solid building, this solid component, and I had difficulties fitting the buildings together. And at that moment, I almost flunked almost failed that test. But luckily, when I went to check my grade in the last few days, I passed it. Just not the grade that I was looking for, but nonetheless, it's a pass. Now, two-dimensional, that's basic, and that's what most industries and most companies, most engineering and most construction companies are using now these days. But I think sooner or later they're going to convert to 3D, because they got to look at the buildings and look at the intersections of the buildings, because you can only do so much with a floor plan. And floor plans, wow, they're good. They don't really get the interscope of a building. But to get an idea of what the top view of the rooms look like, floor plan is 2D drawings are good in that aspect, I would say. But the outside and all the other layers of the building, 3D is where it's at. But they're just more extensive and more difficult to draw. But at least they're more detailed in a way. That's with 2D floor plans. You gotta look at not just the building, but also all the other notes that are laid on there, drawn by either draftsman, draftsperson, or drawn by interior designers. Now, interior designers and architects are, well, they're similar, but not the same. They're totally different occupations, totally different. But still, both of them use AutoCAD, I would say, to do their drawings. Okay, past the 9 mark, no views so far. No viewers so far. So I talked about AutoCAD. They just released a new version, 2024. Autodesk has. Now they have a lot of other programs that I haven't looked at besides the Revit. Revit only deals with buildings, but AutoCAD, I would not be surprised. They made other versions. I think they have AutoCAD Lite, AutoCAD 2024 Lite. That's like AutoCAD 2024, but that's the lighter version of AutoCAD, and it doesn't have many features in there, much features in there. And they have AutoCAD Electrical, where they do the interior design of electrical devices like lights and fuse boxes and switches. Now, when I heard that first, I thought it was like AutoCAD electrical, like doing electronic schematics and that. But I think they do more than that. They do electrical schematics and devices. So that's the main thing. Then they have AutoCAD Mechanical, where they do with mechanical, you draw mechanical parts for, like, say, engines, and say draw engines and draw them for mainly engines, because most engine parts, like whether in cars or airplanes or in boats, they have mechanical parts to run their stuff. So there's AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Mechanical, then there's AutoCAD Architectural. I wonder if that's still around. 'Cause years ago when I checked the Autodesk website, they made that. So I'll check that again and see if they still have it. But I think they probably canceled it and made just sticking with a Revit program. So yeah, that's the main thing. And well, got a view. Thank you. So what else can I discuss here related to construction? I'll get back to construction again in a minute, but now I'm going to talk about graphic design. Now, I think about a few days ago, I checked Nokia, and Nokia, the cell phone company from Finland, they changed their logo. I think maybe this will help them to attract more customers and attract more business, or attract more sales, bring in more sales for their company. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Graphic design. Let's see where we are. Okay. All right. What can we discuss here? Okay. Nice. Mainly this live stream is about construction and architecture. That's what I'm sticking to. I just thought I'd get in that quick note about graphic design. I mean, graphic design, and I think AutoCAD, they deal with design, and they're similar but different at the same time. So let's see, what is some news coming out of architecture? Not a whole lot, I would say, other than the fact that, yeah, more and more renovations I'm seeing around this city, and more just more construction work going on. So, oh wow, getting more views, isn't that? It's plenty. I appreciate this. Now I'm just looking through the architecturalrecord.com magazine website, trying to track some more news here. Now, architecture has definitely changed since my lifetime. I'm seeing more and more homes being renovated, old style homes being renovated to new. Now, it takes a lot of money to do that, and a lot of time as well. And of course, I'm seeing more and more floor plans architecture work being done on AutoCAD and AutoCAD architecture. Now I have to see the Autodesk website and see if they still make those programs. But yeah, I would say that they do make those. I'll have to check and see if they do. All right. Okay, what are we going to discuss here? Past the 15-minute mark. Past the 15-minute mark here. So, yeah. Nothing here. Just give me a moment. I'm going to check the other architecture websites. Okay. What can we discuss here? Just give me a moment. Give me one moment. Give me one moment here, folks. Oh, there was a guy here. You couldn't find my new channel. Let me see. Just give me one moment here. Okay. Let's see. You're going to find my new channel. Okay. Let me see if I can do this. Or check out this one. Let me see here. All right, man. Bro, give me a moment here. I'm going to see if I can direct you here. Or maybe that's not it. Okay. All right. Okay. Can't find it here either. Okay. Couldn't find it either. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay, just give me a moment here. Okay, I wonder if this will work. Okay. Let's see. Doesn't work either. I know what I can do. I can change this. All right. Give me one moment here. One moment here. Okay, just see. How do I edit the title here? All right. Let me try something here. All right, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's send it to you here. What does that mean? Okay. All right. Okay, so that's the message I laid there. Whoa, getting a lot of stuff. Oh, Nora Clausen. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm past the 20-minute mark here. I've been trying to see here, do a search here for my viewers from my other channel. But yeah, all right. Just give me a moment here. Okay, give me one moment here. So I'm just here trying to make some video, get some news here. Okay, I'm at the AIG, Architectural American Association of Architects, or I forgot what it stands for. Okay, give me a moment here. American Institute of Architects. Okay, some news coming out of here. Now, that's the broad architectural organization. If you really do some other architecture stuff, let's see, I don't know if this is the right one. No, that's not it. That's not the one I'm looking for here. That's not it either. Okay, that's not it either. Okay, there's one organization I was looking for that dealt with black architects, designers, building designers. Now, I've been trying to locate it for a while, but still haven't been able to find it. Oh, okay, he got it. Okay, that's the question to you. Oh, thought I had 3 viewers. I lost 2. Oh well. Anyways, oh well. I didn't. Okay, we're past the 25-minute mark, and I must say, sooner or later, I'm gonna end this stream. but at least I went a little bit longer than usual for the stream. And hopefully I can talk a little bit more about construction. Just in a harried state here, trying to find some news related to AutoCAD and building construction mainly, engineering mainly. So I just maybe chill, end this live stream now. If I don't get any more viewers, that is. Unfortunately, he didn't see the video. Okay, got it. Still no luck. Okay, let's see. Well, maybe if I start putting out more content, then it will show in the search engines. Okay, we're past 26-minute mark, and unfortunately, I'm going to be ending it unless you guys want me to. Because I mean, it's hard to do a live stream and nobody's watching. Indeed. Okay. But I will talk about what's going on here. Going on here in engineering. Since it's part of the construction industry here. Okay. Lots of stuff in this ENR website, engineeringnewsrecord.com. Now they're a magazine, and they're made and published by the same company that publishes Architectural Record, except this deals with engineering, like civil engineering, and maybe mechanical engineering as well. But mostly civil engineering, because you got to do with a lot of roads and a lot of infrastructure and bridges as well. So, okay. Oh, for sure. He responded back to me, Tori. Have a good night. And you have a good night too, man. And as for now, we're almost at 30 minutes, and I will end this stream. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next stream.